Hey, what's up, amigos? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. Today is the weekend and I'm here in the mountains again, trying to vlog for you guys. And also I'm wearing my new helmet, my new AGV helmet, which I'm gonna show you guys in a few minutes of vlogging and going in, so bear with me. I am going to the canyon again. As far as the speed goes, I'll be very careful, which it's very important to me and most of you too, because you never know what can happen here. Oh, hopefully it's open. Oh, it says close. Oh no, every time I come here it is closed, so I might have to turn around. Maybe I'll go to Mount Baldy and vlog for you guys. And also, I really miss the canyons myself, so I really want to go there and vlog, because there's something about canyons and riding in the canyon. It just makes sense and it's fun and it makes a difference as far as like the way you ride or how you want to ride, or you know, just learning a little bit more, becoming comfortable with the street. So I am going to be going there. I don't know why they keep closing it. Maybe because of the wind, or maybe because of the California fires, but we will see. All right guys, I'll catch you guys on the other canyon, so hang tight. Okay guys, so we have officially arrived in Mount Baldy. I had to pull over, get some water, stay hydrated, because for some reason every time I ride it makes you really thirsty. And I want to speak to you guys about the Kawasaki 10XR 2020 and my new helmet, as I mentioned. So my new helmet is the new AGV helmet. It's the neon color one. It's really nice. I like it. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay. I was controlling the clutch. This helmet, it's a little bit on the tight side. I don't know why. Maybe because it's new. That's true. It is new and it's like a racing helmet. But a little disclaimer, I've never been to this side of the Mount Baldy, and I don't know where this leads. But one thing I know for sure, it's gonna lead us to a great destination, because it's like a canyon here. But there's a lot of people here too. I mean, it's Saturday. Yeah, there you go. I'm really happy that this canyon is open and I'm able to come and vlog for you guys. Say extreme fire, danger, has all these signs and everything, but you know what? I'm glad that it's open. We have a chance to be here and vlog for you guys. And here you got couples just riding here. There's a park ranger. Park rangers know that we come here and we love coming here. But the first few impressions about my new helmet, it's very light. I love it. My other helmet was from Bell. The plastic was cheaper. It was a little bit on the heavier side. I liked it, but it was a little bit old, and it had a little bit weird interior inside it, so I decided to just leave it and get a new one. And this one I got it on sale. Yeah, so it's very comfortable, it's very comfy. The only problem is taking it out and putting it in when you have headphones on, and like have my microphone for you guys to record it and stuff. But other than that, it's a super sick looking bike. Sick, in other words, I would say really beautiful. Just absolutely beautiful helmet. Something that catches a lot of attention is neon green, and a lot of people just turn around, they take a look at it. They're like, whoa, what kind of helmet is that? And it has number 46, is the Italian racer. Most of you know. I don't know if, I don't think he races anymore, but I need to double check. But he represented Yamaha, and he was sponsored by this AGV company. So I used to wear it a lot, and it's very stylish. The AGV, the company, makes really good stylish helmets. So these helmets are fun. I guess I might increase my collection. I'm also wearing my, today is technically my second day of wearing my Alpine Stars. Oh, it's kind of chilly. My Alpine Stars shoes. These shoes are very comfortable, absolutely amazing for riding, and very stylish. So far, the things that I have done to my bike and for myself is a new helmet, new shoes, new exhaust, tail lights, the windscreen. Those are the things that I have done so far to this bike. Those of you who are wondering or just looking into my channel, I welcome all of you. I welcome all the new subscribers. I welcome all of you watching my videos. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me, so don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe for more content. It is winter time in California, so who knows what's gonna happen next week. My vacation is almost over. I mean, it's over as of yesterday. Who knows, I might be able to vlog next week for you guys, or may not. Who knows. But the point is that winter is here, and then we're just waiting for our first rain in a way. So it might happen. There's a lot of cars today too. In California, they're doing a lot of restriction now, so a lot of people are ordered to stay home. You can't really leave anymore, and that's in a way a problem for a lot of people. A lot of people are losing their jobs because of the stay home, and it kind of sucks. And I pray for them that everything works out for them, and hopefully they can get their jobs back and they can start working out again. Because honestly, it sucks. It sucks to not have a job during this pandemic and not able to make money. So that's why, for those of you who are working, I highly suggest being thankful, you know, always praying about what you have going on for you, because you never know what can happen. And also, if you have a new president, so a lot of changes are coming. Okay, we might have to slow down a little bit for this gentleman in front of us. It's funny because when you're vlogging, when you just slow down a little bit, it slows down the entire video for you, and it looks like I'm going like 5 miles an hour, but actually I'm not. I'm going about 30 in the 40-hour zone, 40 miles per hour. Okay, some people pulled over. All right, he pulled over. Thank you for doing that. I appreciate it. So I say thank you to him, and we take off. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay in these lanes. I have been here. My confidence has increased a little bit in the canyons. I'm not gonna lie. It's making me a little bit better rider overall. So it's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. So I'm gonna test drive this helmet. I mean, obviously I'm gonna do a 6-month review and a year review as well, and a motorcycle as well. All those things are coming next for you guys, and it's gonna be a great content, something that you guys can watch, something that you guys can follow me as well on it, and also this bike. Those of you who love Yamaha or you're looking into getting to your sports bike, you know, especially this one, I'll be sharing a lot of content as far as like what went wrong with this bike, what I like, what I don't like, or the maintenance and all that stuff. The next thing, as I mentioned before in my previous vlog, the one thing that's coming next is for this bike is the oil change. the 4,000 mile. I'm barely at 2,100 yeah, 2175 right now. So you know, it's a weekend warrior. It's not my daily. So but you know, as long as I get more miles in, you know, I have to do more services for it, and also it's gonna open the doors for other things as far as like, you know, making more content for you guys about what went wrong, like I said, what didn't, and how much money I'm spending here. But like I said, it's a new bike, so you know, chances are it's gonna be less. It's not gonna be a lot. Okay, that's a nice BMW. But yeah, we are in Mount Baldy, and oh, my windshield's about to get foggy. Vlogging here for you guys. I'm gonna end it here because YouTube, when it's over 10 minutes, it doesn't recommend it for the audience, people who want to watch it. And let me know, guys, if you guys like 15-minute videos or the 10-minute mark or 20-minute one, because you know, sometimes when it's like too long, the YouTube doesn't recommend it to other audience who might be looking into motorcycles and learn about Yamaha and looking into these bikes and vlogging. So that's why I'm sticking it to like 10 minutes, max is 13 minutes. Nothing like on purpose, it's just, you know, that's how they do it, that's how they roll. But yeah, I really appreciate all of you watching my video. I truly do. It's a blessing to, let me hit the kill switch. It's a blessing to have a lot of people watching my content and you know, enjoying this California weather, and also, you know, seeing a lot of bikers. But yeah, so hopefully next week I'm able to do more vlog for you guys and share more content with you guys. That would be amazing if I can. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but this is the winter in California. So thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.